No, you people are shouting like anything.
So if everyone will unmute it, board will become
No,
clear only, sir.
yeah.
I started recording.
Ananya, how many members joined? Ananya, hey, 6A, how many members?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Anvit,
At
Sir,
39.
16.
Anvit,
Sir, 16. Sir, 16.
Anvit, Anvit, 16 only.
Sir, 19, sir.
Sir,
6B
16.
19, huh?
Sir, 16. 16.
Ah,
Sir, I'll send you, sir, this one.
okay.
Say properly.
Yeah, yeah.
9 or 16. Both the sections they are same.
See,
Sir, I know
Syed
this
Rahil,
addition
you note down the names.
fractions, but in subtraction I'll confuse, sir.
No confusion, Nana. Same. Only subtraction we have to do.
Operation is.
Okay, sir.
Sir, there are 39 students in the class.
Sir, your video is off.
Sir, 19, sir.
Sir,
Sir, total 20,
from
but
6
19, sir. Classified in two accounts.
27 members.
Sir, from 60 and 19 only. Classified in two accounts.
Sir, blur sir board.
Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes
Sir, can
it
you
blurs and
explain
sometimes it
You
Sir,
stop
board
talking,
is
everyone.
blurred, sir.
You stop talking, everyone. I will make it clear. First, you listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully first. See, if the board is blur, once you write chart for whom it is blur, write in chart.
So Moksha CH blur.
Ah, okay. Hey, for not clear members, for whom it is unclear, you write them. Sasvika blur, Adya blur, Manikanta Bhaskar blur, Raunak also blur, Avanish also blur, Shloka blur. Hey, one should talk. No one should open the mouth. Write in the chat box only. No one should open the mouth. Just write in the chat. If you want to say something, you write in that. Either sometimes blur, sometimes clear. Okay, see, if it is unclear, okay, we will send you the responses in the classroom. Don't worry. Okay, so Raika, now onwards, Mr. Syed Rahil Mahmood, you can record the session from now. Okay, so it will be useful for them. After recording, you please send this video to everyone. Okay, or else you send me, I will send to everyone. Okay.
Sir, I kept
Yeah, please.
screenshot. First one, sir.
Hey, why
Sir,
you people are me opening the mouth again? Why you people are
I
opening
kept
the mouth
screen.
again? Sanjay, no, mute. Don't open your mouth. Write in chat. I'll follow the chart. Chiranteja, if you are unmute, the board is becoming blur. Okay. So next I will tell you how to add or subtract the fractions. Okay, see in subtraction, only one problem I will give you. Subtraction box. That subtraction box problem I will explain. Okay, see Nana, I will take some complex problem only. What is that? 6 by 7. Hey, mute. Hey, waste fellow. Lot of disturbance is coming. Who is that?
Sir, Rahil.
Sir, 8 by 9 and
8 by 9 and next minus.
8 by 9 and
Yashishwar, you tell me.
by 7, sir.
Okay. 7 by
8 by 9, 7 by 6.
7 by 6. No, you write like reverse.
Okay, sir.
You write reverse because you will get minus answers. Yeah. Okay. Now mute. Everyone mute. 7 by 6 minus 8 by 9. So how to simplify this one? Okay, this is the subtraction. So how to subtract the fractions? I told you many times. Okay, subtraction can be done very easily once the fractions are like fractions. If it is like fractions, directly we can do it. If it is not like, then sir, I can't see your video. I think there is a big problem from your side only, Nana Adya. Okay, 7 by 6 minus 8 by 9. So 7 by 6 minus 8 by 9. This is a question. So these two are what kind of fractions? They are unlike fractions. They are unlike fractions. So if they are unlike fractions, then we cannot do subtraction. So what we need to do? We need to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So unlike fractions we need to convert into like fractions by doing the subtraction, by doing the LCM of denominators. What are the denominators? 6, 9. 6, 9. These are the denominators. So whose denominators LCM we should find out. So bigger number 9. Don't talk. Bigger number is 9. So 9 multiples we should write. What are the multiples of 9? 9, 18, 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 4s are 36 and so on. Next smaller number is what? 6. So in 6 table will you get 9? No. In 6 table will you get 18? Yes. Therefore this is the LCM. So now 18 is the LCM. What is the meaning of 18? What is the meaning of 18? That means these two fractions denominators we have to convert into 18. We have to make these two denominators, two fractions denominator 18. That means in place of 6 we should make 18. In place of 9 we should make 18. So how it is possible? By finding the equivalent fraction. So write first 7 by 6. So what we should do? We have to make this 7 by 6 denominator to 18. 7 by 6 fraction denominator we should make 18. Don't talk. Next 8 by 9. That fraction also we should make the denominator 18. So how can I make? What number? What is the possible way? By finding the equivalent fraction. How can you find the equivalent fraction? Okay, with the multiplication of same number to the numerator and denominator. So now what number I should multiply? Into 3 we should do. So 7 into 3, it will become 21. What is the meaning of 21 by 18? That means 7 by 6 Equivalent fraction is 21 by 18. Next, 8 by 9 also there. How can you get 18? The denominator we should make 18. How? Multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. So 2, you should multiply to the numerator and denominator. Now, in place of 8 by 9, what we should do? Keep 8 to the 16 by 18. So now, come to the question. What is the meaning of this one? So in place of 7 by 6, we should keep 21 by 18. So in place of 7 by 6, what we should keep? In place of 7 by 6, what we should keep? 21 by 18 minus, in place of 8 by 9, what we should keep? We should keep 16 by 18. So now observe here, what kind of fractions? They are like decimals. Sorry, they are like fractions. I forgot. Like fractions. So now like fractions we can subtract, like fractions we can add. Now how to add, how to subtract? When the two fractions are like, when the two given fractions are like, then directly we can operate on the numerators. Now 21 minus 16 by 18. So 21 minus 16. Why we are doing 21 minus 16? Because 21 by 18 and 16 by 18 are the same. The denominators are the same. That means they are like fractions. So like fractions, directly we can subtract the numerator. So 21 minus 16 is how much? 5. So Hamsini, you understood? I hope now it is,
Sir,
with this explanation you must be
sir, can
clear
you
of how
explain
to
me
do.
the integers addition?
Next I will come to that. After this I'll come to that.
Because I
It's very simple.
don't know.
So same doubt.
Mixed fraction
Yeah, next
also same.
see, listen to me carefully. Whenever the mixed fractions will come, don't worry. Just convert that mixed fractions into improper fraction. Work will be done.
Improper fractions into
And next, as it is the same,
fractions, unlike fractions
mixed
into
fractions. Whenever you come across mixed fractions addition or mixed fractions subtraction, you don't need to be bothered. What you need to do is just convert that mixed fractions into improper fractions. And next, as usual, the same process what we apply in this. Okay. Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody please who is having a difficulty in viewing this, then they can copy from the classroom. Please keep it in the classroom, A and B, both of you, in A classroom as well as B classroom. Please note it, I mean, keep it in classroom, Nana, fast.
Sir, I kept in classroom.
Who is this?
Arjun.
Arjun. Thank you, Arjun. I think you are from A. A or B?
Yes, sir. He's from
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Sanjay, B. Can you keep it? See, Nana, the most important thing in this platform is the listening skills and your following skills. Okay, I am almost 100 times. Okay, there are many more, plenty of times the same concept being explained, and this is the concept in overall fractions and fractions topic. This is the main functionality. What is this? Unlike to like. That's all. So there is nothing great, nothing else more than this. Okay, right? Can I rub this, Sanjay?
Yes, sir, you can rub.
Sir, you can screenshot.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You can rub it.
Right. Next, we'll
Sir, I
move.
did not understand
to the-
mixed fractions only, sir.
Array mixed fractions very simple, Nana. Okay, I will give you one example. Okay, 2 1 by 3 is there. Okay, as you are asking so many times, so I am just doing that also. 2 1 by 3 minus
And
1 by 2 is there. Okay, so don't talk, Nana. So now how to do this one? It's very simple. First you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So mixed fraction we need to convert into mute. So 3 into 2. These two we should multiply. 3 2s are 6. plus 1. So what are you going to get? You'll get 7 by 3. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus. Here what? How to do this one? How to convert this mixed fraction into improper? 2 into 1 plus 1. That means plus 1, 3 by 2. So just look at the denominators. Denominators are different. So what do you call if the denominators are different? Unlike fractions. So if they are unlike fractions, then we cannot do the subtraction. So what we need to do? We need to convert that unlike fractions into like fractions. How? By doing the LCM. Unlike, we need to convert into like by doing the LCM, that too of the denominators. So what are the denominators? We have 3 and 2, and next we have the same flow. LCM of 3 comma 2. So in this, I told you a small technique. Take the bigger number, write the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9 and so on. Next you verify with the small number. In 2 table you won't get 3, in 2 table you will get 6. So therefore, what is the meaning of that? That means the LCM is 6. LCM of 3 comma 2 is 6. Now what is the meaning of this LCM? That means these two fractions we can write with the denominator 6. That is possible. These two fractions we can write with the denominator 6. Now let's see. 7 by 3. Okay, you make this denominator 6. Next 3 by 2. You make this denominator 6. Now extend this. Extend this. Now what we need to do? This one you need to multiply with into 2. Why? Because that is the only way we can get it 6 denominator here. So 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. So it means that 7 by 3 equivalent fraction is 14 by 6. Next here 2 into 3 into 3. Same number. If you wanted to find the equivalent fraction, what you need to do? You need to multiply with the same number, numerator as well as denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. It means that 3 by 2 equivalent fraction is 9 by 6. Next, come down here. What is the meaning? What we should do next? In place of 7 by 3, what is the meaning of this one? In place of 7 by 3, we can write 14 by 6. So 7 by 3 place, I can replace with 14 by 6 minus 3 by 2, I can replace with what? 9 by 6. Okay. So 14 by 6 and 9 by 6. Now you look at the denominators. They are same and therefore they are like fractions. Therefore like fractions can be easily subtracted and added. So now what is the operator between these two? Minus is there. Therefore write minus. 14 minus 9. What is the common denominator? 6 and 6. Therefore you write 6. So 14 minus 9 is how much? Is it 5 by 6?
And we need to convert into
5 by 6 is the answer.
That 5 by 6.
It is already 5 by 6 is already a proper fraction, so no need to convert mixed, Nana. Only improper fractions will be converted into mixed, but proper fractions we don't need to convert. It's already
Sir,
proper.
that
So if it is proper, why to make
they gave
improper?
any question, we have to convert into improper fractions. Sir.
Yes, I told you that only. Whenever we get an improper fraction, sorry, mixed fraction, so better you convert into improper so that it will be easy for doing. Okay. So this is how we can do it. Next we'll discuss sometimes the addition and subtraction of the integers. Okay, many times I have told you, but still many of the students were absent, and I am getting bored by saying the same topic to the same members. But still I have to say it because some members are new. Don't say everyone. You are not everyone, Mr. Rahil. Rahil sir, stop your commentary.
So what is
Okay, now we'll discuss sometimes about addition and subtraction, or else, okay, I'll give one question in the next class. Okay, we have a 10:30. Okay, next. Otherwise, I will explain. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Very, very important topic throughout your life. It is not going to leave you anywhere. Even with the other stream, okay, even you disconnect from math stream, it's not going to leave you. It is an important one. Right, next, okay, we'll discuss about that one. So addition and subtraction of integers. First we'll discuss addition, Nana. Addition of many times I told you, addition of integers. Okay, first let's take a small problem. 3 plus 2. So first 3 plus 2, everyone knows that this is a answer is 5. Okay, but we have to convert or transfer this numbers into integers format. Okay, so now I am writing the same question in the integers format. So whenever you come across integers addition or integers subtraction, try to convert that normal number. This is normal number because there is no sign for 3, and this is a normal number because there is no sign for 2. As it is not having any sign, so it is simple number. So we need to convert that simple numbers into the integers format. So let us try to convert that normal numbers into the integers format. So what is the integers format? When will you say integers? If it is a positive integers, negative integers, then only it is integers. So integers means positive and negative means what? That means either it should have plus sign or it should have minus sign. So for example, take 3. What is the sign of 3? If there is no sign
It's
in
positive.
preceding to that, don't talk. If there is no sign preceding to the number, then you need to consider that as a plus sign. So the sign of this 3 is what? Plus 3. Please understand that a plus can be used in 2 ways. One as a sign, one as addition and subtraction. One as a sign and other one as a operator. This is called operator, not the sign. Okay, so write 3 as plus 3 and keep the bracket. So this is called
Why the
perfect
plus
way of
came?
writing the integers format.
Sir, plus 3 you kept, no sir. Why plus came there?
I told no, if there is no sign for any number, for example, let us say this is x. The meaning of x, if you wanted to write in the integer format, then you should write it as plus 6. Because integers, whenever you are writing the integers, that means you should write the sign. Okay, so that is the strict form of integers. X means plus x, but generally we will write plus 6 as x. Okay, so 23 we are writing. What is the meaning of 23? That means it is plus 23. If there is no sign, it means that there is a plus sign. So right. So 3 means plus 3. Next, what is there? This plus is there. You write that plus as it is. Next, what is the preceding of 2? See, it is just a number. Don't look for this one. This is operator. This is operator. Now, what is the preceding number? There is no sign. So it means that, what is the meaning of that? That means it is plus 2. Plus 2. Okay. So now this is positive integer. Even this is also a positive integer. So how to add the positive integers is a question for us. Okay. So this is also a positive integer. We are adding to another positive integer. A positive integer is adding to another positive integer. So how to do this one? I will give a small example on this. For example, let us take a glass. Remember always a plus means sugar. Plus means sugar. Understand, a minus means salt. Minus means salt. And there is a sum of water in the glass. So plus means, what I said, plus means
Number of
sugar. 3 means here number is there, no? Plus 3 means, okay, for example, plus 3 means 3 spoons of sugar. Okay, why spoons of sugar? Array, I told you, no, plus means
Sir,
what?
because plus is sugar.
Plus is sugar. 3 means 3 spoons or 3 glasses. Okay, spoons only will take. Okay,
That
3
number.
means, hey, mute. 3 means 3 spoons of sugar. So now, what is the meaning of this one, you know? In this water, I am adding 3 spoons of sugar. Next, adding, I am doing addition. And next, I am adding 2 spoons of sugar. So now, the quality of this water, for example, when you drink, it will become more sugary or not? Will it become sugar or will it become salt? It will become more sweet. It will become more sweet. Mute. It will become more sweet because you are adding totally 3 spoons of sugar you are adding, and again 2 spoons of sugar you are adding. Total 5 spoons of sugar you are
Sir,
adding.
your
So
voice
it
is
will become
coming double,
sugary.
double.
Okay, Nana. So it will become, the solution will become what? Plus 3 means 3 spoons of sugar, plus 2 means 2 spoons of sugar. So it will become, the solution will become what? It will become more sweet or sugary. Sweet, it will become more sweet. So sweet or sugary, you can say sugary. So sugary means it will become plus. That means overall the solution will become more sweet. That means more sugar. Okay. So therefore, what we need to do is, okay, whenever we are adding two positive integers, okay, you have to do always do the addition. That means if two positive integers are added, what we should do? We need to do addition only. Okay, now, so after this step, what we should write is, okay, forget about the signs for some time. If you forget about the sign, which is the bigger number? That bigger number you write here, 3. Next number is what? 2. After writing 3 and 2, you leave some space and write these 2 lines like this. Next, you need to write the signs now. What is the sign of 3? That is plus. What is the sign of 2? That is also plus. So when we have same signs, what we can say? When we have
Addition.
same signs, or else we should do always same signs means what we should do? We have to do addition. What we have to do? We have to do addition. So when we have two same signs, same means what? Plus and plus, same only, no? So if we have same, then what we should do? We should do addition. So forget about this one. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, what is the bigger number in 3 and 2? Don't think about the signs. Without thinking a sign, look at the
3.
numbers and its sign. So 3 sign is bigger. So what is the sign of 3? Plus. Therefore, you will get plus 5. So what is the meaning of plus 3 plus 2? Therefore, plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to, answer is what? Plus 5. So this we can also write it as 5. Normally we can write 5 also. You can write plus 5 and you can write simply 5 also. Here the important point is, whenever we have same sign means plus plus or minus minus. Plus plus also we should do addition. Minus minus also we should do addition. That is the only simple logic in this entire integers addition and subtraction. Plus plus means plus only. Minus minus also we should do plus. Okay, let us see another question. Okay, now I'll give one question.
Sir.
I hope you understood, Akif Mohammed. Did you? Akif, are you clear with now? This explanation?
Sir, have one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in RT2 you gave about integer, RT2 or RT2 you gave one question, sir. What
Hmm.
is the answer of negative numbers? So I kept always negative means it came wrong, sir. Why, sir?
What is the answer? What is your question?
Sir, if there are two negative question, but two negative
Ah.
numbers,
Two negative
If we
numbers
will
means
add
again
that,
negative
what
only will come.
will
You will get more negative.
Sir, you gave that question, sir.
Ah.
You gave. I
Hmm.
kept
Next I will tell you.
means
Next
it
I will tell
came
you that
wrong.
only. Negative correct only.
Sir, it
Maybe
came,
the no. Okay, maybe I kept wrong, or maybe the question you are saying wrong. Okay.
Sir, time is up. Okay.
Yes, sir, time is up.
Half an hour break.
Sir, half an hour break.
Yes, sir, 30 minutes. Sir, we need to join at 10:30.
Take a break.
Sir,
Take a break.
Bye,
Come
sir.
sharp 6:30.
Bye, sir.
Sorry, 10:30. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Nana, attendance. Anvit and
Sir,
Anvit.
you take next
Attendance.
period.
I will take.
Sir, can I write
10:30. Join all of you.
Sir, okay, sir.
Join at 10:30. Nana.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, we should join
Bye,
again.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we should join again.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.